Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel and earning money from it? In today's digital age, YouTube reigns supreme as an entertainment hub with its vast audience and potential for significant earnings. But here's the catch. Success doesn't just happen overnight. It requires a clear vision, a purpose, and a whole lot of dedication. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos. It's about sharing your unique perspective with the world. Before we dive into the steps of setting up your own channel, let's understand what YouTube is and why it's such a great platform to earn money. YouTube is not just a video sharing platform. It's a community, a marketplace, and a platform for creativity. At its core, YouTube is a website where anyone can upload videos for others to watch, like, comment on, and share. But it's much more than that. YouTube uses complex algorithms to rank videos and make suggestions to viewers. These algorithms favor engagement, which includes likes, comments, and shares. This is why it's so important to engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and encourage your audience to like and share your videos. Remember, YouTube isn't just about the number of views. It's about building a community of engaged viewers. The more engagement your videos have, the higher they'll rank in YouTube's algorithms, leading to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more revenue. Now that we know how YouTube works, we can start setting up our own channel. Setting up a YouTube channel is easy and straightforward. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, no worries. Creating one is as simple as pie. Head over to Google's homepage, click on Sign In at the top right corner, then Create Account. Follow the prompts, and voila, you're part of the Google family. Now, with your Google account ready, navigate to YouTube and click on the Sign In button. You'll automatically be logged in with your Google credentials. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Follow the instructions and you've got yourself a YouTube channel. But we're not done yet. A blank channel won't attract viewers. It's time to give your channel some personality. This starts with choosing a unique and memorable channel name. Think of something that represents your content and is easy for viewers to remember. Next, you'll need an engaging channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers about your channel and what they can expect from your content. Make it catchy, informative, and don't forget to include relevant keywords to help viewers find your channel. Then comes the channel art. This includes your profile picture and banner. They need to be captivating, a visual representation of your channel's theme. Remember, first impressions count. If viewers like what they see, they're more likely to stick around and explore your content. Lastly, don't forget to link your channel with your other social media platforms. This helps to increase your visibility and provides additional platforms for your viewers to engage with you. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of a YouTube channel, ready to capture the world with your content. Remember, your channel is an extension of you. Let it reflect your personality, your passions, and your creativity. With your channel set up, it's time to start creating content. Content is king on YouTube. This is a truth universally acknowledged in the world of video sharing platforms. The value of your content directly influences the engagement and growth of your channel. But how do we create such high-quality, engaging material? Let's break it down. First and foremost, it's crucial to brainstorm video ideas that resonate with your audience. Think about what interests you, what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable in. Remember, genuine enthusiasm is infectious and can easily translate into viewer engagement. Next, scripting your videos can be a game changer. A well-written script helps keep your thoughts organized and ensures a smooth delivery of your message. It's like a roadmap for your video, guiding you from start to finish. However, don't let the script confine your natural spontaneity. Keep it conversational and allow room for ad-libs. They often add a human touch to your videos. Once you have your script, it's time to film. And guess what? You don't need a fancy camera to start. A smartphone with a good camera, coupled with natural lighting and a quiet environment, can work wonders. Remember, it's not about the equipment, it's about how you use it. But the magic really happens in the editing process. This is where you can transform your raw footage into a compelling story. Use cuts to keep the pace lively, add music to set the mood, and include graphics or text overlays for added context. But beware of over-editing, as it can distract from your message. Finally, always remember to end your videos with a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, share, or subscribe. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps in building a long-term relationship with your audience. Creating engaging content may seem like a daunting task, but with practice and patience, it becomes second nature. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. Now that you have your content, it's time to optimize it for maximum visibility. Optimization is key for your videos to reach a wider audience. So let's dive into how you can optimize your videos using SEO techniques. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a way to make your videos more discoverable. It's all about using the right keywords in your video title, description, and tags. These keywords should be relevant to your content and what your potential viewers may be searching for. But the optimization doesn't stop there. The visual appeal of your thumbnails can significantly increase your video's visibility. A compelling thumbnail is like a movie poster. It can intrigue viewers and draw them into your content. So, make sure to create thumbnails that accurately represent your video and catch the viewer's eye. Now, let's talk about earning revenue. One of the most common ways is through ads. Once your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can start to monetize your videos with ads. These can be displayed before, during, or after your videos, and you earn money each time a viewer interacts with these ads. Aside from ads, sponsorships and merchandise sales are also great ways to generate income. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands that align with your content, while selling merchandise can help build your brand and create a loyal fan base. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel and earning money from it.